original fuel filter that came on the rig, and I'd kind of like to be able to use this. It's not in the best shape. Got a lot of rust and corrosion, and it's full of crap inside the glass bowl. But these are pretty cool. I'm going to try to make use of it, clean it all up, bead blast it, and see if I can make it operational. So here I am, kind of getting some lube on there so I can turn that base nut. That was the main thing, if I could get that. That wasn't frozen, so I'm just taking it all apart to get the glass bowl off of there. There's the gasket, the rubber gasket. It's actually in really good shape. Might be able to reuse that. There's the filter element. Now that spring looks like it's missing some of the spring. Might have just rusted away. And there's all kinds of sediment down in that bowl. It's like a lot of sediment. Now here we got the thing partially cleaned up here, a little initial cleanup, and I'm chasing the threads on that nut. And on the male part, on the little loop there, that's a M6 6mm or 1.0 thread pitch. This is my fancy nut driver that I made 50 some odd years ago in metal shop in high school. Still holding up. Little ball bearing that holds the sockets on at the end. The spring in there, I think it's kind of given up, so sockets don't hang on there very well, but still works. Perfect for this operation where I gotta use a little force to run that thread chaser, that die down on that threaded area there. Works perfect for that. Well, once I got everything all figured out, I went ahead and bead blasted all the parts. This is the original top part. Wire wheeled and bead blasted this keeper, and as you saw, I rethreaded the bottom part, bead blasted the little retaining nut. Now, when I did get mine apart, this spring was completely shot, no good. While I was shopping around, I was curious if you could buy a new one of these, so I went online and I wasn't able to find the spring and the filter by themselves. But I did manage to find a brand new whole assembly, extremely reasonably priced. SOR, that's their part number. It comes with a metal bowl, and I kind of really like the glass bowl. In my past career as a airframe and power plant mechanic, I dealt with these all the time on old airplanes, antique airplanes that I used to restore. And these are called a gasculator. I actually owned a 1941 Taylorcraft, had one of these as their main fuel filter. So I kind of like these old things, and nicely enough, the glass bowl from my original fuel filter fits on the new top of the filter I bought from SOR. So I used the new top and the original glass bowl, and now I have this one as a spare. I do need to get a new filter at some point. Nice fresh spare ready to go.